Welcome to Svelte Training. My name is Coach Sam, and we are going to be making a blackberry virgin mojito. Okay, so a couple of the ingredients that go in a mojito. One of the famous is mint. You could choose any berry fruit that you like: orange, pineapple, raspberries. I chose blackberries. They're great in antioxidants, great for your body, and it make you feel really good and refreshed. Another main ingredient is lime. So how a mojito works is you add your specialty ingredients by putting the mint, the fruits, and I am going to be putting a secret ingredient in there a little bit later and tell you more about it. But we stack the fruit in there, put some ice. So I'm gonna drop some of these blackberries in. I'm gonna let my muddler sit. I'm going to slap my mint, break it, put it in there, and I'm going to muddle. Sorry if you hear the ice crunching in the background or anything. Whoop, there goes the ice. So we're going to stack that there. We're going to take a half of a lime. I like to put it in between my palms and crush it so that all of the lime sprays doesn't go in your face and burn your eyes. Then I'm gonna take the orange marmalade. So you only need a little bit of this. This is, instead of adding a honey, a simple syrup, a sugar, we're gonna do something natural with a fruit that already has the natural sugars inside of it. So I take a little bit like this, put it inside the cup. As you see bartenders too, and mixologists, they're gonna be taking it and like shaking it around. This is kind of a nice layered because we don't have alcohol that we need to mix and move. We're just taking the fruits and stirring them around and giving them nice flavors. So I have a raspberry lime, which is going with my blackberry lime mojito. Seltzer, give it that nice pretty pink and color. I'm going to take my spoon, make sure that orange marmalade is nice in there, stirred up so it's not chunky when you're drinking it. And then I'm going to just garnish it with a beautiful little mint. And I have a beautiful blackberry virgin mojito. Real simple, real easy, great for your body. It's nice when you are trying to lose weight and people around you are drinking and enjoying the time and you really don't have the alcohol. So why not just enjoy it and look pretty, and they don't even have to know that it's a virgin. And you're gonna be the one losing weight while everybody else is gaining all that alcohol weight. So cheers, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Check out all of our videos, like, subscribe, and let us know what you want. Enjoy.